1, 2, 3, come on!
Come on, come on.
Hello everyone, welcome to KJ's solution. Here, quadratic equation 4.3, 8th main question. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. So here the question is clear. We have to find out the speed of the train. So if I want to find out the speed of the train, let the speed of the train be x kilometers per hour. That is a key point that you're supposed to remember. Whatever we have to find out, okay, so it means that I don't know the value of that, so let us take it as x. Okay, let's go with the question now. A train travels 360 kilometers at a uniform speed. Let us consider a train here. Let us consider a train. Okay, I have drawn already a beautiful train here. Okay, so here a train travels 360 kilometers. 360 kilometers means the distance is 360 kilometer. Yeah, okay. If the speed have been 5 kilometers per hour more, it means we are increasing with the speed. If we are going to increasing with the speed means, okay, first of all I have taken the speed of the train as x kilometers per hour because we don't know. Okay, so we don't know. Here this train travels around 360 kilometers with the uniform speed x. Okay, so it means the speed is x kilometers per hour here. Okay, so now what I am doing, the speed have been increased by 5 kilometers per hour. So here this train means, let us consider the same train in a different time. Okay, so it will also travels around 360 kilometers, but what about the speed? I mean increasing with the 5 kilometers per hour. So speed 5 kilometers, it means increasing speed. So first uniform speed is how much? It is x kilometers per hour. So now if I am increasing with the 5 kilometers per hour means that is x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Yeah, okay. So now it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. One thing you're supposed to remember here, if any questions comes with distance as well as a time and speed, okay, you must remember the formula, that is speed equals to distance over time. So speed equals to distance divided by time taken. Based on this formula we are going to solve this one. Okay, now what exactly I have to take here? So here he has given that it would have taken 1 hour less. So think practically. Now the two trains are traveling with the same, I mean, so it is traveling a same distance 360 kilometers, but the speed of the first train is x and the second train is x plus 5. So it means the speed of the second train is greater than the first train. So it means the first train the second train will take less time to cover this distance compared to the first train, isn't it? Yeah, okay. So now question he has given that it would have taken 1 hour less, means the time difference of these trains he has given. Time difference, very important point. Time difference, it means you have to take the time of the first train as well as the second train. The formula for a train is time is equals to do cross multiplication. So time will comes to numerator. Time is equals to distance divided by speed. Okay, so now for the first train, time is how much? So time is equals to distance by speed. Distance is how much? 360 kilometers divided by speed. Speed is how much? X. And what is the time of this one? Okay, so time of the second train, it is distance is 360 same, but the speed it is x plus 5, isn't it? Okay, so now as he gave, okay, so it would have taken 1 hour less, means a time difference he has given. Let us take the time difference here. So here increasing speed is x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Now according to the question, so time difference. Okay, so in these two train, which one will take the more time, either this one or this one? So first of all, here speed is more, definitely it will reach as soon as possible. So it means this train will take more time compared with this one. It means greater time. So now that's why the time first I supposed to take the time of the first train, that is 360 by x. 360 divided by x, and the second train it is 360 divided by x plus 5. So time difference, as I told you, that difference means it is nothing but minus. The time difference is how much? 1 hour. 1 hour less, so it is 1 hour. Okay, so now we got the equations till here. If you get, means almost 90% you will get the solution. Okay, so now take the LCM. So x and x plus 5, x into x plus 5, x will get cancelled, x 360 into x plus 5 minus, say minus x plus 5 will get cancelled. So 360 into x, it is 360, x equals to 1. Now we'll multiply. So 360 into x, it is 360x. Next again plus 360 into 5. 360 into 5, it is about 1800. Next minus 360x whole divided by, will multiply this one, x into x, it is x square, plus 5 into x, it is 5x equals to 1. Okay, now plus 360x minus 360x will get cancelled, remaining 1800 equals to, we'll do cross multiplication. So everything will comes to numerator and multiply by 1, it is same, x square plus 5x. Send this one into right hand side, then it will become x square plus 5x minus 1800 equals to 0. Now we got the quadratic equations. If you get the quadratic equations, we know to solve by using a factorization method. Any other method also you can go. Okay, let me go with the factorization method. So here it is 1800. So how much I supposed to get? It is plus 5. So plus 5. So here, even though, so when you get 1800 or something like that, a greater number, you can go with the LCM also. By taking LCM, you can make the group of numbers. Here 1800, it is about nearly 40. I should get 5. So 40 and 45, and here 1800 is negative, minus 1800. Don't forget the sign. Okay. Okay, 40 into 45, 1800, and I supposed to get plus 5, so definitely minus 40 and plus 45. Okay. And now x square minus 40x plus 45x minus 1800 equals to 0. For the first two terms I can take x as common, x minus 40. For the next two term it is 45, I can take common, x minus 45 into 40,800 we already know equals to 0. Now x minus 40 is common for both. Let us take the common, remaining is x and plus 45 equals to 0. Let us separate this two. So x minus 40 equals to 0 and x plus 45 equals to 0. Here x equals to 40 and here x equals to minus 45. Okay, as we know that we are going to reject the negative one and we'll take the positive one, 40. So it means the speed of the train, hence the speed of the train is 40 kilometers per hour. That's all. Okay, thank you.